Good afternoon, everyone out there on the interwebs. My name is Jared, and this is my YouTube channel, Mazda B3K. This is going to be a 5-minute fix video on how to replace the windshield wipers on a 1995 Mazda MX-5, or more commonly as it's called, Mazda Miata. Without further ado, let's get started. So I bought this car, probably a year ago. I haven't done anything to the wipers, and they're pretty toasted. So they are, let's see, Onkos. Haven't heard of that brand, but see, that one looks kind of okay, but our biggest problem is definitely here. This one's falling apart. So, used to be you could just buy this, get a new rubber edge, but now it's kind of hard to find that. So you just got to replace the whole arm. Now, from the look of things, these are J-hook, which means I should be able to push that tab in and then push it down, I think. And it slide in. Might need 2 hands for it. Let's see. No, I think this needs to actually come up. But I'm going to look at this. It's a J-hook style. And get back with you once I figure it out. I always struggle with wipers for some reason. So it had been so long since this had come off, it had actually rust welded in. But what you need to do is there is a tab right here. You push that tab all the way in and then push. You push down and then you kind of wiggle this off. You can kind of push this to the side and then work it off the arm. But that gets it off. Get this off the arm. There we go. So that's one. Go ahead and do the other one. And let's see here. Come on, you stinker. There it goes. Okay. So there's that one. Now slide that off. So now we need to get our replacement wipers. So today's replacement wipers are going to be Bosch Spectrum Direct Fits, and the model is Charlie 1806. This is the one that's going to have a J-hook setup, so you can just pop it right on. So these do come with a plastic guard, as you can see, over the blade edge. So you're going to want to take that guard off before you start trying to use these. That would be wise, but for the moment, we're going to leave it on there. You're going to want to take this and spin it. Let's see here. Kind of like that. And then we need to slide this over our J-hook arm. And then when it clicks, bad camera. When it clicks, you'll know you've got it in position. Alright, so this is what we do. We're going to take our wiper and we're going to sneak it in up here, like so. And then if we get real close, you'll see there's the hook that we need to sit on right there, that's going to lock into the J-hook. So once you do that, you just get it lined up, pull till you hear it click. And there you go. And now it's installed, we can take the blade guard off. And I really apologize for the camera. This thing does terrible on focusing on stuff in depth. So put that back down, come over here, Go ahead and take this off. Put that down. And you are done. Alrighty, that's going to do it for this 5-minute fix on swapping your wipers on your 1995 Mazda MX-5 Miata, or Miata MX-5. So please like, share, subscribe, leave a comment. I like reading them. I like learning from them. I like replying to them. And remember, I make the mistakes in the fuzzy potato camera vids, so you don't have to. I'll see you guys next episode.